Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Detrended price percent over average on range. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Detrended price percent on average of range. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 297 indicators. And out of those 297 indicators, 116 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 116 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the Detrended price on average. No, I'm sorry. Okay, so today's indicator is the Detrended price over average on range indicator. There's quite a mouthful, and I have to admit that is a hard one to remember. All right, you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Basically, we have an oscillating line, and that oscillating line, I'm going to change the color of it. Let's see here. Let's do purple. Why not? And there we go. Bump that up a little bit. So basically, we have an oscillating line, and we have a zero line that is indicated by the dash here. It's not actually a zero line, but yeah, it's kind of what you would consider a zero line. And we have the oscillating line that is pivoting around this dashed line right here, right at the 1.00 mark. And so basically what we're looking for is when the oscillating line crosses up above the dashed line, we are going to go long. When it crosses down below, we're going to go short. So pretty simple setup. Not a whole lot to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of it. All right, so when it crossed up here, we were not quite into the year yet. Be careful not to look at signals before the year has begun. AdAnt will call me out on that one for sure if I do. All right, but we do pick up a short over here on this side, and you can see rather quickly gets us to take profit. Not too bad. So then we pick up a long over here on this side, right about there. That one unfortunately does get us stopped out, but it does then reverse right here for a short signal, which got us to take profit. Then along there, which also got us to take profit. So far, not too bad. Looks like we didn't quite get under there, but we did drop below right there on that one. And it appears that one got us to take profit. Let's just measure it out to be sure. Not quite 50 pips there. And that one did get canceled out as we picked up a long signal right there on that one. And rather quickly it reverses, then heading downwards right there. That one would have gotten us to take profit. So continue on here. We then pick up a long right there. Let's make sure we didn't dip below on that little spike. No, we did not. So we get a long there, and that one gets us to take profit as well. So yes, we are doing not too bad at this point. Get a short right there. That one did not work out for us. But we get a spike there to the long side, and that one would have gotten us to take profit. All right, let's see here. We pick up a short right here. I don't believe that got us to take profits. Just double check. Nope, it did not. So that one would have gotten us stopped out. Then we pick up a long there. Almost immediately it reverses for a short there. And we are still riding this one down. Let's see if we got to take profit. I don't think it did. Nope, it did not. Nope, keep the color there. And looks like we get a spike to the upside right there, which gets canceled out to a short there. That one would have gotten us to take profit. All right, I'm going to cut some of the video out here. That way it doesn't get too long, and we will pick this up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's finish up these last couple of signals. Let's see, we pick up a short right here. Looks like we stay in this for a little bit. 75. So we didn't quite get stopped out right there. But, man, unfortunately, it just does not quite make it to our take profit. It was super close, but didn't quite make it there. Then we pick up a long right there. Then it gets pretty well spiked down with a short almost immediately. And that would put us at the end of the year. All right, so we're about to count these out. This would be a good time to say that if you are really interested in getting on top of the trading game, if you are a new trader or even a slightly experienced trader, if you're looking to dial in a trading strategy, or you're just looking for some general overall advice on where to go next to become a profitable trader, what I would highly recommend is that you join our Discord server. And on our Discord server, we have a Patreon only Discord channel. If you join our $9 Patreon, it's super cheap. It will give you access to the Patreon only channel on our Discord. And on that channel, we give a lot of advice, detailed advice, more in-depth advice from some of the senior members on the Discord server about trading strategies and ideas and overall trading advice, as well as our admins, especially Jay and Rob, and some of the other members like Sasquatch, are often posting regular trade ideas almost on a daily basis. They are outlining and posting screenshots of charts where they have marked off areas of interest and are giving their trade ideas of exactly where they are entering and exiting and taking profit on these particular trades. Jay alone, since we have been tracking his trade ideas, he is basically growing a small account, has been able to gain a regular 5% gain on a small account. And if you consider that most trading brokers, most Forex brokers will give you a leverage of anywhere between 10 and 30 times your money. If you put in even $1,000 or $2,000 into an account, 5% can add up really quick. We're talking about $5,000 to $1,000 a week gains on a trading account. And so if you're really looking at trying to understand the ideal market conditions to be able to have those kinds of gains, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel and get a lot of insight into market conditions, strategies, and advice. All right, so let's see here. Let's zoom in on this a little bit more here. So right about there is what we're looking at. Let's count these out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and 51. So we have 51 trading signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This thing wasn't doing too bad until it hit a consolidating market. Once it hit a consolidating market, man, it just got tore to pieces really quick. So it's unfortunate these very large clusters of losing signals. Yeah, those were almost always due to consolidation, a ranging market. So this one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.